Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily remove a program from your Raspberry Pi using a command line. We'll be using NoMachine as an example. This NoMachine program I recently installed for RDP remote desktop. But the process is the same for the most other programs installed through the package manager. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to show you from the actual desktop in Raspberry Pi. If you go click start from the Raspberry icon, you will go to preferences, edit, remove. So this is the option to remove any packages from the graphical interface. Normally, if you don't know the name and trying to find it, it's going to be very hard to find it in here. So normally what you need to do is, if you remember the name, at least you can type here and search. So my program I recently installed is NoMachine. So when I type in here and enter, it will pop up here. So right click here and remove the package. So this option in a graphical user interface, that's mean in the desktop, real desktop in the Raspberry Pi. Normally everyone like me also using SSH session. So we use the terminal session. It's very easy and quickly you can do it everything. So how are you going to do it in the terminal session? Because you don't have a time to RDP to a session or graphical interface, you have only SSH session. Okay, let's close this and open the SSH session. Okay, open my terminal session. Now I'm going to see the list of all the programs installed on my Raspberry Pi. We're going to type apt list install. Once you enter, you will get a bunch of information here. So as you can see, this gives us a very long list to find a specific program. Now we cannot go all through this, right? So we need to find it quickly as possible to see what's the name of this. So what you need to do is we need to use a grep to fill the results. Let's say we want to find the NoMachine because that's the program I'm going to remove. So what you need to do is you go type apt list, and I'm going to use the installed. I'm going to use the grep command, and I'm going to type my program to find, to uninstall, actually uninstall. You can see when you type this is the program I want to uninstall from the system. So you can see this should show the entire package name. Now that we have found the NoMachine package, the package we want to remove, we can remove it with the following command. We're going to type sudo apt remove NoMachine. Sometimes, okay, do you want to continue? You can type Y. So sometimes you will be asked to enter your password. Type it and press enter. The uninstallation process will start automatically. When it's finished, you will see a message indicating that NoMachine has been successfully removed. So we're going to wait. So it's like it will show you in the progress. Now it's 33%, and you will see a bunch of information in here, and we'll come back once this installation is done. Okay, the removal process is finished. Now the next steps, it's auto remove dependencies. It's optional, you don't have to do it, but it's good to use it if you know. Now we can also use auto remove to remove any packages that were installed as dependencies for NoMachine. NoMachine is the program I remove. So we install as a dependencies for NoMachine, but are no longer needed by any other program. So if you want to remove any dependencies, including the NoMachine, the package we remove, or no longer needed by any other programs, what you need to do is you type sudo apt auto remove. Now, so because I run this command recently and I remove bunch of stuff, so that's why it says 0. But for you, it will give you different results and remove unwanted packages, dependency packages, right? So this step is optional. Again, this step is optional, but it helps to keep your system clean and tidy. So that's it. We have successfully uninstalled NoMachine from our Raspberry Pi using the terminal. Remember, this process works for most other programs installed to the package manager. You can use the same command to remove multiple programs at once. Just list the package names separately by space after the sudo apt remove. Okay. So always be careful when removing programs, especially system packages. If you're not sure about package, double check before removing it. If you find this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for my Raspberry Pi tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.